Suleymaniya Hifz Center, Ottoman-style Hifz system with 2 years of boarding. What is the Suleymaniya Hifz model? At Suleymaniya Hifz Center, our main goal is to educate new generations with strong moral values so that they understand the Quran al-Kareem and its rules, and at the same time follow the path of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his Sahaba-i-Kiram, and who protect their moral values while perfecting their secular education and Islamic lessons. Knowing that our children are the future of Islam and the world, we try to provide them with many kinds of opportunities. What is the Ottoman-style Hifz? For centuries, the education of the Hafiz in madrasas in the Ottoman state is as follows. Students who want to become a Hafiz first must prepare for a year. In this first year, they learn the Quran perfectly with tajweed and recitation, as well as learning basic religious sciences and fiqh. At the end of 1 year, those who pass the exam begin to memorize the Quran, thus starting their hifz. Again, with a special memorization method, the Quran is memorized within a year. During this 2-year period, Akhlaq-e-Muhammadiyya is explained and taught in the best way to ensure that the Quran is not only memorized but also understood and applied. What is the boarding Hifz system and why is it important? The boarding Hifz system is where the students have a certain program by staying in the dormitory in the evenings, as well as studying their school lessons during the day. Students can visit their families by taking leave from time to time. The importance of the boarding system is that because they follow a continuous program, it is easy to check the students' material and moral development at any time. Our students gain the habit of praying in congregation by performing the 5 daily namaz in Jamaat, starting with Fajr and including Isha. By performing regular khatms of the Quran, Surah Yasin and Surah Ikhlas, our students are always under the material and spiritual protection of the Quran. One of the most important benefits of the boarding system is the development of our children's awareness of taking responsibility. In this way, our children make their own beds, clean and organize their own living spaces. In addition, it is easy for our children who develop social communication and leadership skills to become managers in the future. Our students who start the day energetically with a nice breakfast are served 3 meals a day with halal, healthy and delicious meals. After each meal, we make du'as of gratitude to Allah Ta'ala for the blessings given to us. While our students complete their courses by working collectively and individually, their progress is constantly followed by their instructors. Continuous control and follow-up is one of the most important reasons for our success in a short time. We are working to help our students develop like a double-winged bird and save both their worlds and their akhirah by supporting our students in Islamic sciences as well as in their school lessons. What do we teach? Each of our students who enroll in the Suleymaniya Hifz system start with the Muqaddimah Alif Ba as if they were learning the Quran for the first time. After passing on to the Quran in a short time, they learn to read the Quran by showing utmost care to makhraj and pronunciation of the letters. Our students who can read the Quran fluently are taught the sciences of tajweed so that they can read our Quran completely. Then they are ready to become a Hafiz after passing the exam and memorize the whole Quran al-Kareem. During this period, our students also learn fiqh, Siyar-e-Nabi to learn the life and struggles of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, history of Islam, hadith, Ahle Sunnah wal Jama'ah Ittiqad, Islamic manners, logic, communication and presentation skills. Turkish, English and Arabic languages are also taught. Our education family. All our teachers in the Sulemania Hifz centers have received Ijaza after they have developed high Islamic knowledges in Turkey. Our teachers, who improve themselves in all matters, material and moral, are friendly and have love towards their students. They are principled and extremely serious about education. Social activities. Along with the secular and Islamic lessons, activities that increase morale and motivation of our students staying in the Sulemania Hifz centers are also carried out. To ensure their physical health as well as their spiritual health, sports activities, entertaining intelligence games that provide intelligence and brain development, and other entertaining activities are held. How to register? You can come to our centers to register for our Sulemania Hifz system. After pre-registration, our students who have passed the entrance exam are interviewed, and a final registration is made for those who are found suitable. Call us via phone or WhatsApp, or pre-register by contacting us via our website. Our registration has started and our quota is limited.